the #1 most powerful immune food in the world, liquid gold. What if I told you that the most powerful immune food on the planet wasn't created in a lab, but by nature itself? A substance so potent, so magical, that without it, society as we know it might not exist. It's antiviral, anti-tumor, and even known for healing wounds. Can you guess what it is? It's your first immune system download, directly from your mother, without needing to get sick or develop antibodies. It's colostrum, the golden liquid produced in the first 24 to 72 hours after birth. Rich, thick, and yellow. It's not just food. It's intelligence for your body. Even if you weren't breastfed, you can still benefit from colostrum. This isn't just about babies anymore. Colostrum contains probiotics, stem cells, immune messengers, and even oxytocin, the bonding hormone. It builds the brain, programs the immune system, and starts shaping life at the cellular level. Breastfeeding is like downloading a live immune update. The baby's saliva tells the mother's body what it needs, and the breast produces exactly that. It's a living system. Formula? It just doesn't compare. It may contain calories, but not the immune intelligence, the living microbes or the natural prebiotics. Worse, it can increase risks of allergies, obesity, asthma, and cognitive delays. Now here's what's wild. Colostrum isn't just for newborns. As adults, we can take it too, as a supplement. And the benefits are huge. Got gut issues? Leaky gut? Inflammation? Colostrum helps repair and protect your digestive tract. Respiratory issues? Skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis? Autoimmune diseases? Colostrum supports all of these. Even your aging thymus gland, the one responsible for producing T cells, benefits from it. Colostrum helps with aging, muscle loss, eye health, arthritis, even long COVID and Lyme disease. But only if you get the right kind. Freeze-dried, not heat-processed. This isn't just about babies. This is about healing, immunity, and regeneration for all of us. ***, nature's most powerful immune food.